Welcome to the Basics Hub. Are you ready to turn your dreams into reality? Today we're diving into the world of DIY vision boards. These powerful tools help you visualize your goals and aspirations, keeping you motivated and focused. Let's get started on creating your very own vision board. A vision board is a powerful tool that can help you manifest your goals and dreams by making them visual and tangible. It's a board that represents your ideal life, and it's a constant reminder of what you want to achieve. Having a clear visual representation of your goals can help you stay focused, motivated, and directed towards making your dreams a reality. Whether you want to travel the world, advance in your career, or improve your health, a vision board can help you manifest those desires. When it comes to achieving our goals, many of us face similar challenges. One common challenge is lack of clarity. We might know what we want to achieve, but we're not entirely sure what it looks like or how to get there. Other times we might be surrounded by negativity and self-doubt, which can make it difficult to stay motivated and confident. Sometimes we might even feel overwhelmed by the sheer magnitude of our goals and we don't know where to start. Another common challenge is procrastination. We might have the best of intentions, but we just can't seem to take that first step. We get caught up in our daily routines, and before we know it, weeks, months, or even years have passed, and we're still no closer to achieving our goals. And let's be honest, sometimes we're just not sure if we're good enough or capable enough to achieve our dreams. Despite these challenges, it's crucial to remember that achieving our goals is possible. It takes effort, persistence, and patience, but the reward is well worth it. By creating a vision board, you'll be taking the first step towards making your dreams a reality. To create your vision board, you'll need a few materials: a poster board or corkboard magazines or printed images, scissors, glue or tape, and markers or stickers for personalization. Feel free to add any other embellishments that resonate with you. Think about the things that inspire you, motivate you, and make you feel good. Do you love nature? Do you love fashion? Do you love travel? Whatever it is, make sure to incorporate those elements into your vision board. Once you have your materials, start flipping through the magazines and cutting out images and words that resonate with your goals and aspirations. Don't overthink it too much. Just go with your gut feeling. If an image or word stands out to you, cut it out and add it to your collection. You can also add personal items like photos, quotes, or other memorabilia that hold special meaning to you. Once you have your collection, start arranging the cutouts on your board. Don't worry about making it perfect. This is your personal space. Play around with the layout until you feel it reflects your vision. You can group similar themes together or create a more abstract design. As you start arranging your images and words on your board, think about the overall message you want to convey. Do you want to focus on abundance, love, or freedom? Do you want to manifest a specific outcome like a new career or a new home? Whatever it is, make sure your vision board reflects that. Take your time and have fun with the process. Remember, this is your personal vision board and it should reflect your unique style and personality. Once you're happy with the arrangement, glue everything down. Add personal touches with markers or stickers like affirmations or doodles that inspire you. Make it vibrant and uniquely yours. Now that your vision board is complete, it's time to display it. Place it somewhere you'll see it every day, like your bedroom wall, office, or even in a journal. The more you see it, the more you'll be reminded of your goals and motivated to take action. One of the most powerful things about vision boards is the way they can influence our mindset and behavior. When we surround ourselves with positive images and messages, we start to believe in ourselves and our abilities. We start to feel more confident, more motivated, and more inspired to take action towards our goals. I can attest to the power of vision boards personally. A few years ago, I created a vision board that focused on my goal of traveling the world. I added images of exotic destinations, words like adventure and freedom, and even a photo of a plane ticket. Within a year, I had booked my first trip abroad, and it was an experience that changed my life. Remember, your vision board is a personal reflection of your goals and aspirations. It's a reminder of what you want to achieve and the life you want to live. By creating a vision board, you'll be taking the first step towards manifesting your dreams and making them a reality. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to The Basics Hub for more inspiring DIY projects. What goals are you excited to visualize? Let us know in the comments below. Happy creating!